Children, lesson number 13, natural vegetation. Okay children, in previous class we studied the types of vegetation we were studying. So now we will go to the second point, the second forest, the deciduous forest. So children, you can see these are the mahogany trees, ebony trees and the rosewood trees. You see how beautiful the trees have been seen, looking. See how good these are. These are mahogany, this is ebony and this is a rosewood tree. How tall they are, you see. Okay. So next we'll go to second types of vegetation, the deciduous forest. Deciduous forest. See the forest there. See the trees, how tall they are. There are different types of trees are there. Not the same trees, different types of trees are there. This is the deciduous forest. Okay, the first point is that deciduous forests are also called monsoon forest. Deciduous forests are also called monsoon forest. These forests shed their leaves in the summer season. These forests shed their leaves in the summer season. These are found in the foothills of the Himalayas and parts of the southern plateaus. Teak, sal and sesame are the main trees found in the deciduous forest. Wood of these trees is used for making furniture. See children, the first is that deciduous forests are also called monsoon forest. Monsoon forest in the sense. So in previous point we saw the evergreen trees. They remain always evergreen. They don't shed out their leaves at a time. So what happens there in evergreen trees? The leaves will go part by part. When some leaves already fall down, the new leaves will be ready. So in that case, the evergreen trees look always green because the tree will be never empty. So as the new old leaves will be falling, the new leaves will be ready. So here what happens in deciduous forest, since they are also called monsoon forest in the sense, monsoon forest these are like any other normal trees. So how we see around us, now they shed their trees, again in a monsoon again they come up. And in another way I can say it, the monsoon forest means these forests are the this is the forest is will be causing the heavy rainfall, will causing the heavy rainfall. Therefore these are called monsoon forest because they invite the rain. They invite the rain. And as usual any other normal trees, even this forest shed their leaves in the summer season. So they shed their leaves in summer season. Summer season they shed their leaves. And these are found in the foothills of Himalayas. Himalayas and parts of the southern plateau where always the it will be very chilled area because you know the Himalayas always covered by the ice. So therefore this always the trees will be growing there more and more, and that also in the part of the southern plateaus this forest will be found. And the teak, sal and sesame, these are the main trees found in the deciduous forest. You must have seen teak. I don't know what you call this, sir. In our side they call it sagoni tree. Sagoni mara they call it in Kannada. In English we call it teak. So you must have seen in front of our school here, St. Francis School. There are many trees of this. The last time also I had shown you the example giving the tree. This is a teak. So these are the main trees found in the deciduous forest. Then next point is that wood of these trees is used for making furniture. Of course, the teak, silent, these sesame trees are very strong for the preparation of the furniture. So usually making of the door, then the furniture, usually people cut these trees. So therefore you must be knowing also, when people found cutting especially these trees, the in charge of the forest, the people will catch them. They catch them, they find them, and if it is necessary even they put them in the jail, because no one should touch the trees in the forest, especially like these trees. Those are like what you call cash crops. We call it cash crops which earn lot of money. This teak, silence and sesame, they earn lot of money because these are the strongest trees, and the timber wood is very strong, good. It doesn't spoil fast. It doesn't spoil fast. Neither the white ants will not eat this one. So therefore these are very much in demand, these trees. So therefore these are used for making the furniture. So you see the teak here, the exactly, if you at all you remember, you are seen in front of the school. Even this has got a white flowers like a mango types flowers, it leaves. Then the leaves are very broad and long. See, this is all, you see, you have seen these trees. Usually when we travel, you see them roadside. Roadside we can see this, some of the trees. These are very straight and long, tall. So these are also same. You see the timber, how big it is, and these are the leaves, and this is a sesame. So these are the three types of the trees which found in deciduous forest, and very good, useful for the purpose of furniture. Purpose of furniture. Okay, children, once again we'll go through. So the deciduous forest. The deciduous forests are also called monsoon forest because they are there always in monsoon. They invite the monsoon, they invite the rain. Then these forests shed their leaves in the summer season. Of course, as usual, in summer the leaves will be falling out of the trees, and these trees are found especially in foothills of Himalayas and the parts of the southern plateaus. And teak, sal and sesame are the main trees found in this deciduous areas. So these three trees are mainly found especially in deciduous forest. And lastly, the wood of these trees is used for making the furniture, since they are very strong and most available trees, and very strong and remains for the longer time. So therefore people make use of these trees for the purpose of furniture, for the house construction. So this is all about the deciduous forest, and these are the three trees mentioned in the textbook: teak, sal and sesame. These are the three types of trees which are found in the deciduous forest. Okay children, did you all understand? So first we studied evergreen trees and the deciduous trees. The difference between the evergreen and the deciduous forest, of course, the evergreen trees always remain green. They never shed their leaves at a time. But whereas the deciduous trees shed their leaves in the summer, and these are also called the monsoon trees, monsoon forest, and these are specially found in foothills of Himalayas and the southern part of plateaus, and the main purpose of these trees are making the furniture.